Hi everyone, I just want to showcase something today, and this is something that Amy came up with. So this is a tree that we drug out of the swamp. It's a cedar tree, and it's upside down. If you can kind of see the roots are on the top, all right? So she had this awesome idea of making this kind of centerpiece for our yard. So this is really cool for you guys that are and gals that are creative and you want to do something really unique in your yard. So this is a cedar tree, and since it's a cedar tree, it doesn't rot down. And what we did is I took and I made a big hole here, and we put the tree in upside down. So the trunk of the tree is actually down about 2-3 feet, and the roots, like I said, are up at the top, and that gives us this whole canopy to work with flowers. So this year what we did is the white super petunias from Proven Winners, that Vista series that's really aggressive, and I've got 3 14-inch pots that we drilled in, so they stay put. They're drilled into the big roots, and you can see the whole thing just really canopied out, and I think it looked spectacular. Now, this is not summer anymore. You know, we're into the late fall. It's October for us right now, so it's on its way downhill, but it still looks pretty good. And we had some perennial morning glories climbing up. This is the Grandpa Ott, and you can see how beautiful these are. And it climbs up the tree, and then it started actually filtering through the white petunias, and it really gave a spectacular kind of the showcase piece, and people really wonder what this is. It's kind of fun to watch them, and they ask questions like, what kind of a tree is that? You know, it's a cedar tree that's upside down with the roots up at the top, and we planted petunias up at the top. Now, we've done a lot of different things. We've done lophos before, and that kind of trails down with those beautiful flowers. So yeah, look how beautiful the morning glories are. They are spectacular, especially in the morning. I don't know why, they just almost glow, and it's coming through all over in the petunias. So this was a really cool one, and Amy informed me that we're gonna go find some more, maybe some bigger ones, and we'll see how that works out, and maybe put them throughout our landscape. But it's just an idea for you people that are creative and want to give your yard a little more unique look. This is something to do, and you know, it was really easy. Cedar's light, so it's kind of easy to drag a cedar tree out. Yeah, so I hope you like that idea. Go ahead and use it in your yard. Thanks for watching.